Hey everybody, it's your old pal Willie Whitegloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing the B2 Super Battle Droid. Keep in mind when you're doing something like this, none of this has to be perfect. You can see that a lot of these lines are just pretty messy, and we're still having fun. So don't let perfect be the enemy of good. You're going to see how the pins for the Battle Droid in the background, using thinner tips on this one, and it's also a lot looser. It's really little more than a scribble on that one. I left a little room on the side for him to do his logos there. Oh, it looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, starting out with the kind of a grayish, brownish gray here for the Super Droid, Super Battle Droid. Oh, and a little shadow here, a little spice. All right, we are coming up on the end. We've got our cat logo there, and Drawn to You 2 added some effects there. Here we go, the final product, the Super Battle Droid, the B2 Super Battle Droid. We had a good time with this one, Internet. I hope you did too. And until next time, I'm Drawn to You.